Good evening, gentlemen and ladies. Tonight on my Wednesday shout out video, we are on the 18th of October. I'm gonna talk about an outstanding channel. The name of the channel is the Jack Homestead, and the channel it's the two folks is Mr. Chris and Mrs. Donna, and their channel is all about homesteading, maple syrup, gardening, chicken, ducks, canning, and guess what? They have a Mahindra tractor with also a backhoe. So that's what my shout out video is all about, and let's discuss that. So please stick around. Alright folks, so on their channel, they're talking a lot about Donna. She's making a lot of cooking videos, burger time, everything around food related to homesteading. I'm just gonna click that here, and they always have Louis, the best dog ever. 1 month ago, they're doing like I say, ducks. They have bees. He's doing the last video 2 days ago. He was doing a sawbox, and talking about himself. What they use a cellular phone as a camera, like I did when I started my videos. Outstanding couple. You can see the Mahindra there. The Mahindra, they have also more deck. They have a problem. They write to me. I'm supposed to have an email from them soon. I think they found the problem with it. Please, Jack, or sorry, Chris, let me know what happened with your Mahindra. And also, they're building various for the garden, various setups. And they've been doing videos. If I look at here, I'm just gonna go at the oldest. They start roughly a little more than 3 years ago. Cheeseburger soup, the start, you can see them changing a tire. You know, when we all making videos, various stuff, and they get better and better at it, but they're very outstanding teamwork. Fishing also, you can see that. Oh, there's a sad moment there about his dad, the cemetery, the cats. Yes, like I really like, and I just discovered they leave a comment on my video about maybe 3 weeks ago, or no more than that. And I went to see them. They said, yeah, they definitely deserve a very nice a very nice shout out. So that's what I'm doing. You can see the kids there, the Finn's weekend and Papa and Grandma. So you can see they're there. Look at the nice kids. And Mrs. Jack, yes. So very nice family. They also have a Facebook page with the same name. You just write up the Jack Homestead, and you're going to find their channel on Facebook. What else? Oh, they have the Mahindra Tractor Day. That was a year ago when they bought it. Yes. So just me do. I want to do something else popular. They don't have. Please go see them. Maple syrup. They do maple syrup with this wood stove. That one really nice. Like 8 months ago, they made 10,000 views. Maple syrup is very popular. They talk about the Mahindra too. Yes, so they have a very nice channel. So please go see them. They live the city. They live in northeastern Pennsylvania. Now the town, it's tough going. It's Walising. Sorry about my miss. I went to see there. Walising is northeast of Pennsylvania. So definitely Walising. Yeah, that's the place where they live. Looks like a beautiful area. And definitely that. So again, thank you very kindly. I will have their links of their YouTube channel and also their Facebook channel. And thank you very kindly for taking the time to at least leave comments, because I look many videos, and even on Facebook they have no comments at all. So I left some comment with I love to leave emoticons, my faces and stuff like that. So please go see that, go see them, encourage them. I forgot to see. They have 304 subscribers. They have more than 200 videos, and yeah, definitely they deserve it. It's take time to make videos. Like mine, it's only what is gonna be last 6 minutes. It's gonna take me at least half an hour to edit it, and another 15 minutes to send it, modify it on YouTube, and then yeah, it's time consuming. I love it, but please encourage each other. We share knowledge, and for the cook in you, that's definitely a video to see. Gardening and maple syrup, stuff like that. All right, again, thank you, Eglen, for your outstanding support, the nice comment you're leaving, and just remember, life is good. All right, folks, cheers, and winter is coming up. Yes. All right, bye.